farmer, I'm earning 2x, 3x, exporting the things. I'm not because of my commitments or survival or fit test or whatever things are there.
Uh,
It is indirectly, as
now,
you
now,
said.
now, my model is saying something absolutely different.
Yes, sir.
Basically, in my model,
Hmm.
farmer is having three accounts.
Yeah.
One account is, I fondly say, one MSP. That is the minimum support price, or
Yes.
we can
MSC.
alternately
I
we
understand
can
MSC.
we can alternately say earning account.
Yes, yes, yes.
The second is the cost settling account, and
Uh-huh.
third is the asset account.
Third one is
Asset account, the asset which is being
asset account. Yes, yes.
asset which is
Asset
being
account. Ah.
asset which is
Yeah, yeah. I got it. Got it. Got it. Ah.
asset which is
Okay.
being produced on his.
Yes, 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 yes.
Now,
Okay. Ah.
let me give you my concept to you.
Hmm.
Basically, we are creating, or we can create a document or a
Hmm.
contract or a agreement, right,
Hmm. Hmm.
with the
Hmm. Hmm.
farmers, right?
Hmm.
And when
Hmm.
tomorrow we means government of India as well, right?
Fine, sir.
In beginning, say crime-free Bharat, and later on the crime-free Bharat is having the guarantee from the government of India, right?
Yeah. Right, sir.
Now, this contract with the farmer, that we intend to increase income of the farmer by 5 times day one, right?
Okay.
Now, this agreement, just like a LIC policy, will be sold by a person. I mean, he will be briefed, he will be having the brochures and other kind of the things, and in turn he will be briefing that farmer, right? We might even arrange that.
I did not get this point actually, Sarjeet.
Let me explain, because how this, whether you are in position to reach out to each and every citizen, probably difficult. Each and every farmer, probably difficult. So,
Like it's a
so,
lengthy process.
so we created kind of a agent, just like on the profile of say LIC agent, right? LIC
Okay.
person goes and sells his policy. So it is a
Yes.
policy, rather a guarantee, that farmers' production or farmers' earning will be multiplied by 5 times. This is the guarantee, right? So first we are giving the guarantee.
This is what I was telling. Buyback policy. What I was speaking to
Nothing
you.
like buyback. The
Okay.
farmer will remain his owner. It's a wonderful concept. Let me really explain about that, right?
Okay, sir.
So now the LIC agent, he will be getting, say, depending upon the size of the farm, say 3,000 to 5,000, and maybe even 10,000 also, right?
Hmm. Hmm. Right, sir.
This money he will be getting from the cost settling account of the farmer only, because he is doing a service to the farmer, not to me. Whose income is being increased? Farmers, right?
Farmer.
So even
Farmer.
this agent, to reach him out, he is not getting from me. He will get the money from the cost settling account of the farmer. And cost settling account is not his earning account, right? Okay.
Okay.
Now we are giving the guarantee to each and every person that he will be earning 10,000 rupees, right? So we said, just like government of Madhya Pradesh has come out with the Ladli Behna Yojana, right? So I said,
Which
why
Yojana?
Ladli?
Which Yojana?
Beloved sister.
Ah, no, no. You told me some Yojana. Which
That
Yojana?
is the Ladli Behna Yojana, beloved sister scheme,
Okay, okay, okay.
right?
Okay.
So I
Hmm, right, right.
said, this is a scheme for distributing freebie to get vote, right?
Right, right, right.
I am saying I will be having the same Yojana, but I will be
Hmm.
guaranteeing employment,
Fantastic, fantastic.
not the free money, right?
I got it. Fantastic, fantastic.
Now,
I
now I
really appreciate.
now I am saying that I will not. There will not be only beloved sister. There will be beloved brother also, beloved father, and beloved mother also.
Got it, got it.
Because
Wonderful, wonderful.
we want to give 10,000 each to the four-person of the family. So
Ah,
in 2025, each member of the family who is not earning anything, they will get
Hmm.
the guarantee of the 40,000 minimum. And it is a minimum guarantee. It is not a salary. It is a revenue stream, and some
Got it.
total is guaranteed as a 40,000 rupees.
Yeah, yeah. He is working on his own farm and he is earning on his own
No,
resources.
he is being trained and he may be working anywhere, wherever he will be sent. So,
Okay,
he, so
there are some
it
organizations like
is a
NARAM and all these things.
yeah, it is a registration for employment. Now,
Hmm. Hmm.
forget about the farmer. We have left the farmer little aside. Now we have come
Hmm.
on the say Shram Beer laborer or whatever you say, right? Because ultimately, at present, there is a problem that
Hmm.
laborers, जो है ना, they have become a scarce resource. They are
Hmm.
they are not properly trained. They are
Hmm.
telling lies. They are doing a poor job. We want to change this ecosystem, right?
Right,
So,
right.
these person will be first registered, right? In
Okay.
consultation with this and keeping in the mind,
There will be any portfolio kind of thing online या registration किधर कराएंगे ये लोग?
for that we will come out with a yojana. So the crime free Bharat members, they will do the registration, and in turn they will be getting money for it. At the way we were
Hmm.
talking about the LIC kind of yojana for the registration of the farmer.
Hmm.
The
Hmm.
similar yojana will be
Hmm.
available for the members of the crime free Bharat, those who have joined crime free Bharat, right?
हाँ,
So,
right.
they will be doing the registration and they will get the 500 rupees, and they will get the 500 rupees not from me, from the
Hmm.
person who is registered, and from
Hmm.
against his cost settling account. So everybody will be having the two account, right? One is earning
Hmm.
account and another is the cost settling account.
Okay.
And
हाँ.
cost settling account will only start, जो है ना, debit, when you are
Hmm.
earning more than the minimum guaranteed.
Yeah, yeah. Hmm.
Right? So say if your revenue stream is less than 10,000, then your debit will give you the remaining money to make it 10,000. It means it is a loan by your own account to you,
Yes, yes, yes. I
right?
understand. I understand.
Ha.
Hmm. Hmm.
So now this 10,000 will be then taken to the by increasing efficiency and by proficiency of the back-end engine, because it will be catering for the demand and supply where you will go. So the labor, nobody will be contacting, nobody will be owner. This the registered employee, they will become the service provider. We will provide them
Hmm.
the training, we will provide them the tools, we will provide everything, and
Hmm.
we will provide them the transport, we will provide them the cloth if they are not having, we will provide
Hmm.
them with the mannerism also, with the etiquettes also if required.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Nothing is being given free, right? So everything will be charged on their debit account, right?
Okay.
And the debit account will not start operating till you get the minimum. So when you will start earning beyond minimum, then this whatever the liability which is created in your debit account, that will start settling in a easy installment. And
Okay.
we are not in hurry to settle it. Let it take 5 years. Let
No,
it
I understand.
let it take even 10 years. I am not bothered, right?
No, no, no. उतना तो नहीं लगेगा, वो
नहीं
प्रॉब्लम
नहीं,
नहीं है.
it will start from the second month basically.
Yeah, yeah, I understand. I understand.
So, but I am what
See,
I am
one
guaranteeing,
thing.
not even single penny will be deducted unless you earn the whatever we have minimum guaranteed. And I am very sure the moment it will become fully operational, the next day you will be earning more than 10,000 rupees. You will be earning more than 25,000 rupees. So this 10,000 rupees,
Hmm.
I want to increase it to the 25,000 rupees, right? So
Okay, right.
25,000 multiplied by 4 will become 1 lakh rupees, right?
Sir, I understand the.
Just a
Uh,
minute, just a minute. Let me take it to the peak basically. The peak is not 1 lakh rupees, peak is 2 lakh rupees, right?
peak is somewhere going somewhere.
Peak
Actually.
is at the 2 lakh rupees minimum. It means
Yeah, yeah.
any of them will be having, so from where that one will become two, because from the whole ecosystem they will be having the rebate of the 50%. So the
Yeah, yeah.
buying power of 1 lakh will become the 2 lakh rupees.
Absolutely right.
Now you imagine a
Absolutely.
situation, crime-free Bharat architect is approaching you, sure, you are going to have income 2 lakh rupees per month or buying power of the 2 lakh rupees per month. I am
Mm-hmm.
having a plan for your house.
Mm-hmm.
So now you first select in which area would you like to have, because we are having these 10 sites, 20 sites, 50 sites, right? So
Yeah.
which area will be the most convenient to you?
Mm-hmm.
Or even if you say somebody else is living, so you can even get the rented accommodation elsewhere and somebody else can be in your rented accommodation. So
Mm-hmm.
you should stay very close to your workplace and the other person should stay very close to, or they can even swap also. So that kind of the swapping mechanism can also be brought in later on, right?
Okay, right, right, right.
So now you are not earning 2 lakh rupees, but your house has started construction.
Mm-hmm.
Are you getting
Mm-hmm.
my point? So you will not be living in the slum area. You will not living in the Prime Minister Awas Yojana. You will be living in your own designer house, where the architect will come and will inquire within your income. So you might be earning, or you are likely to earn, say maybe 4 lakh rupees or maybe 5 lakh, because 2 lakh rupees is
Yes,
minimum.
yes. As you say, whatever things are there, the entire support system will be from Government of India only.
Entire support system will be from the government of India, and
Yeah, yeah.
we will not be consuming a single penny, because
Hmm.
whatever the freebie they are distributing, whatever the Joanna things they are distributing, that all will be saved. So
Okay.
government expenditure will be reduced to the half. We are having the plan to
Hmm.
increase income of the government servant by 2 times, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
And
Yeah, yeah.
burden on the government will be halved. So you will be again saying that I am always talking the contradictory terms basically, right? I am contradicting
Yes, sir.
myself that we want to increase income of the government servant by 2 times and burden on the government will come down to the half. So basically each and every wherever is doable, he is providing a service to the public, right?
Hmm.
So
Hmm. Right, sir.
he will get a revenue stream, not salary.
Yes, sir.
Up now let's presume Mr. Shridhar is having a salary of 1 lakh rupees, right?
Right.
It means I am guaranteeing him 2 lakh rupees.
Absolutely.
Now, Mr. Shridhar is a little lazy person, right?
Right.
He is a little inefficient person also, right?
Right.
So,
Right.
with the great difficulty, the revenue stream which could flow to him, it was 50,000 only. It was less than even a lakh, right?
Right.
We have
If he's
promised.
not working, also,
Just a minute.
uh,
Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute.
uh,
We have already promised you the 2 lakh rupees, right? So
yeah.
from your debit account, 1 lakh and 50,000 will flow to your earning account.
Right.
It is a loan to you from your own account. And we will say,
Right.
I, Mr. Caesar, come and we will sit together. I will really
Mm-hmm.
train you. I will make you how you can earn 2 lakh rupees per month, right?
Got it, sir. Got it.
So,
Got it. Perfect.
till you are not in position to make above 2 lakh rupees, you will be keep on
Mm-hmm.
getting from your own debit account. So, with the zero burden on the government,
Yes, yes. Yes.
with the
Now
zero
I,
burden, right? With
uh,
50% burden, I am
sir,
just saying because
sir, wow, what is the concept you have developed actually?
huh. So
Mind blowing, I'm telling you.
yeah, so this precisely I am saying that government servant will be getting 2 times without any burden on the government, right? All freebie will go. You are giving the guarantees, right?
Yes, yes.
Right. Now you now come down to the farmer, because why we went to this dimension, because we have
Mm-hmm.
to provide labor, seeds, and everything to the farmer from the
Mm.
debit account, not from his earning account, right? So,
Yeah.
so the person will labor will reach. System will say go to this farm, right? Oh,
Yes,
overall
yes.
demand and supply will be governed by the.
Wherever demand and supply is there, they will go and approach.
No, they will not approach. They will go and directly work, because we are already having the agreement. The farmer itself will become the manager of his farm. He is a representative of the crime-free Bharat. He is not his own. The farm is now
Oh, okay.
under contract
Okay.
with me.
We will have an agreement with all these farmers under us. Am I right?
Yeah, and see things. We are not only giving them the one MSP, they will remain the owner of the grain till it is consumed by the person. So I am explaining that concept. It is just wonderful. You will enjoy it, right? Now, basically, at the moment, I am trying to explain that